Fighting between Tigray Defense Force, Oromo Liberation Army, and Ethiopian National Defense Force, along with allies, is intensifying again in Amhara region. After taking control of Shivarobet, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army started their journey towards Debrecen. As per Tigray Defense Force backed news sources, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers have entered Debrecen and took control of Debrecen hospital. Viewers, as per reports, many soldiers of Oromo Liberation Army and Tigray Defense Force are present near Debrecen hospital. Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are trying to full control of Debrecen. But Amhara's forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces are resisting, and intense fighting is underway. After taking control of Debrecen, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army will move towards Debre Birhan. Whereas Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are getting closer to Addis Ababa with the passing of days. Ethiopian government is increasing the deployment of security forces in the surrounding areas of Addis Ababa. Viewers, as the year-long conflict moving closer to Addis Ababa, the Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed said he would head to the war front to lead soldiers battling rebels. The statement said, "Starting tomorrow, I will mobilize to the front to lead the defense forces. Those who want to be among the Ethiopian children who will be held by history, rise up for your country today. Let's meet at the front." Abiy's statement came as the Tigray People's Liberation Front continued to press towards Addis Ababa. Here, Tigray Defense Force have claimed control of the town of Shivarobet, just 220 kilometers northeast of the capital by road. And now, as per latest reports, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers have entered Debrecen. Whereas on the other hand, the United States Embassy in Ethiopia has warned of a possible attack in the capital Addis Ababa and in other parts of the country. Diplomatic facilities, tourist locations, transportation hubs, markets, shopping malls, Western businesses, restaurants, resorts, local government facilities, and other public area can be targeted in these attacks. The embassy urged its citizens to maintain vigilance and avoid crowded areas and areas frequented by foreigners. Viewers, if we talk about Ethiopia-Djibouti road, Oromo Liberation Army is going to take control of Mithara town. If Oromo Liberation Army succeed in taking control of Mithara town, then they will be in a position to cut the Ethiopia-Djibouti road and railway line. Whereas this time, Tigray Defense Force is not present with Oromo Liberation Army on this front. Tigray Defense Force has tried 3 times to cut the supply of Ethiopia-Djibouti road, but they failed and faced heavy losses. This time, Oromo Liberation Army alone is going to cut the supply line of Ethiopia-Djibouti. Viewers, now let's see in coming hours whether the Oromo Liberation Army succeed in cutting the supply line of Ethiopia-Djibouti or not. Viewers, for more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.